right, guys, it's Miss Scary again. We are back today. We are talk now about adding and subtracting decimals. So, adding and subtracting decimals, right? You can't subtract dimes from quarters. You have to do some regrouping there, right? Pennies from dimes, dimes from dollars. So when we're doing that, that's what we would kind of think along those lines. In the fifth grade, remember, we're not subtracting anything past the hundredths place. So if you remember, we have our decimal place, and then we would have our tenths place, and our hundredths place. So 2 places out is as far as you will go if we're talking about money. The tenths place is your dimes. The hundredths place would be your pennies. So with that being said, we're going to go through. We're going to add some decimals together, and then we will subtract some decimals apart. Okay. So a lot of times you see them. You may see 2 8/10 plus 3 91/100. You might see it written out horizontally. When we are adding or subtracting decimals, we want to make sure we stack it up vertically, and we're going to make sure our decimal points are in line. That way all our values line up nice and neat. So I'm going to regroup. I'm going to rewrite this problem vertically. So 2 decimal point 8 in my tenths place. 3 wholes, there's my decimal point. 9 in my tenths place. 1 in my hundredths place. Okay. Now you can see that there is nothing right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in and I'm just going to put a filler 0 in there. Okay. Doesn't change anything, but it just makes it all nice and neat. So from here, all we have to do is add like we normally would. My decimal is here. It's going to stay in a straight line, so I'm going to drop it right down here. Okay. So hundredths place plus hundredths place. 0 plus 1 is 1. 8 plus 9 would be 17. I drop my ones place, and I'm going to regroup 10 of those tenths over here to the wholes, because 10 tenths is 1 whole. Agreed? Okay, so 1 whole plus 2 wholes plus 3 wholes is going to give me 6 wholes. So my total would be 6 71/100. So a couple things I did there. I lined up all of my place values. I did not add my tenths place to my hundredths place. Okay, I did not add any wholes to tenths. I didn't do any of that. I kept it all straight. That decimal point should be in a nice straight line so that everything else lines up nicely there. All right. So let's do a subtraction problem quickly, just so you can kind of see how that would go. So let's say that I have $38.29, and I just paid $6.43 for something. I don't know. Take out. All right, so I'm going to stack it up vertically like we talked about. I'm going to make sure I keep all of my place values lined up. So the 6 is in the ones place. So I'm going to put it under my ones place here, which is the 8. Here's my decimal, so they're in a nice straight line. My tenths place and my hundredths place. Okay. From here, I'm just going to subtract out, just like I have been doing. 9 minus 3 is 6. 2 minus 4. Here's what I know about subtraction. I cannot take 4 from 2. I don't have enough. So I'm going to have to come over here, and I'm going to have to borrow from this 8. So I'm going to take this $8, make them into $7 plus 10 dimes. $7 plus 10 dimes is the same as 8 wholes, right? So I'm going to add my 10 dimes right here to this 2 dimes. 10 dimes plus 2 dimes now gives me 12 dimes right there. 12 minus 4 is 8. There's my decimal point. I'm going to drop everything nice and lined up. 7 minus 6 is 1. And 30 minus nothing would just be 30. So my answer here would be 31.86. That makes sense because this is 38, about 38, and this is about 6. 38 minus 6 is about 32, and this is really close to 32. All right. So hopefully that helps. You guys can check it out, and then we will go from there. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.